What's up, all my chicken heads and hood rats? Today we gonna teach you how to install a wig. You feel me? First off, if you ain't got your makeup, you already wrong. You got to get inside of that wig, you know, because they seen y'all wigs a little on the other color. We ain't gonna say. God damn, Bay Hill look like an eggshell. Damn it, Wayne's my wife and kids looking ass girl. Y'all see her readjustment skills? Woo! She really can't count with them scissors. It ain't nothing to cut some lace off. Snip, snip, dog. So now we got this baboon spray glue in this leather belt that your granddaddy used to whip you with. That glue is imported straight from the islands of Wakanda. And we're gonna spray some of this gorilla snot all around our edges on this wig right here. Look like she's spraying a good old can of black ice. I know some black ice when I see it. First of all, why is you making that face, girl? Now we grab our leather belt imported straight from the waist of a 57-year-old granddaddy. Hey man, shout out to Wiggins for making a band wide enough for the sisters with a big forehead. You know, the ones that got a forehead like an HD TV. You know, this video is really teaching me what to watch out for in our house. Razors, scissors. Yeah, she gonna cut me one of these days. Knowing her, she can't wait to the end, so she be like, babe, wet lace. She already smiling like she done did something. Now we're gonna spray some more of this pterodactyl sweat around these edges. Make sure it's laid down real good and real nice. Then we're gonna grab this shoestring here that we took out a pair of Black Forces, because what shoestring ain't stronger than the strongest shoe in the world? See, I told y'all it was strong. He ain't even want to come on. Nike Air Force One department. I need my NIL deal. Not the damn duck lips. Okay, we getting very much re-honored at the MTV Awards. Hey, you're fucking up our light here. Now we about to hit the edge with some, maybe it's Maybelline. Nah, no cap, this some good Sephora products right here, so we get the best, you know. God damn, babe, I never knew how big your forehead was in this video. Your forehead look like a picnic table. Now we got us a bottle of buffalo sperm. And y'all know we had to go back to that black Air Force One shoestring. If y'all don't believe me, a black Air Force One shoestring has the equivalency of a ratchet strap. A black Air Force One shoestring will hold up 6 mattresses on the back of a truck driving down the highway, I promise. Can we take a time to admire how fucking fine she is? God damn it, shot! And at this very moment, that shoestring cannot withhold that forehead. That shoestring got out of there quicker than Deion Sanders got out of JSU. That shoestring said, no, I do not want any parts of that head. In the words of my illustrious girlfriend, bitch, wet lace. Now after she done did the baby hairs with her fine ass, we just gonna go back and touch up some minor details, you know, adding that extra skin tone color to this naive. This time we went and grabbed us a Skechers shoestring. I know y'all people like the last shoestring didn't work. But wait people, don't worry. We still gonna put Granddaddy's belt on top of it. Okay, babe. Alright now. You done did something. You giving me Murder Inc. 2005 Ashanti right now. So as y'all can see, after she styled the wig, it looks freaking amazing. She looks amazing. I'm gonna tell y'all how durable the wig was in the next video, if you know what I'm saying. But overall, the stylment was a 10 out of 10.
Alright guys, so that is the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Y'all, this hair is bomb, okay? When I say I love this hair, I definitely think this is my favorite wig, y'all, and I definitely love the texture of this hair. I have never tried loose wave hair, but yo, I think this is definitely gonna be like my go-to because this is just too cute. I love it. If you made it this far into the video, make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and also leave me a comment down below on some other videos that you guys want to see from me. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye y'all.